Evening, guys. I hope everybody's fine. A quick updates on the charts and to see where the market is heading. I already shared the analysis on yen short trade earlier this week. Already had discussed about a complete breakdown is there on the YouTube channel on GBP yen, which is heading in our direction. I'm specifically talking about the yen pairs in this session. A quick glance, 10 minutes video. That's all I'm going to do right now. Let's look at the price action and try and understand GBP, CAD yen, the first one. I've already discussed price has been stuck in this range. As you can see from the weekly perspective, price has been rejected here from the monthly level at 84.30, and the price forms a low formation at 81.77 and retraces higher. Now it seems like the price is making a low high formation here. Now we had a shooting star formation last week. The week before, the price came up, but if you could see this area, there's 1, 2, and 3 rejections. So I'm expecting the price, as I've explained earlier in my analysis, to rebound from this level to at least 81.67. Now let's break it down further. Daily chart perspective, we are making low high formations. As you can see, possibly another low high formation for the price to go down. Yes, price has to break this. Price has to break this, and your first target is at 81.67. It's pretty much possible. It's pretty possible that the price will give us this indication. My advice is, if the price retraces higher, you'll see rejection. You can always go for anticipational trades around 83.86. Looks good. Moving average has crossed. I would be expecting the price to retrace, and that's the first target. And this is your second target. Now, this trading setup carries a good reward against risk. If you've already been in the trade from 83.70 levels, then you should already be in a decent profit of 40 pips, and you can always move your stop losses to break even. A good trading opportunity on this. Let's see how this plays out. But let's see how this plays out. The first target, 81.80 levels, and we'll see after this. If the price breaks this, then we would be expecting the price to hit all the way to 80.55. Now, the next one, a quick one already, USD yen. USD CAD, a lot of students have messaged me to look into this. It's a bullish perspective from the weekly charts, but I would be expecting the price to rebound and conduct a deeper retracement. That's my expectation is. So you're still bullish, but what I'm expecting is a price to conduct this deeper retracement. Therefore, if you look at the daily perspective, the price begins to make low high formations. That was a nice selling opportunity earlier this week at 133.87. Price coming back, rejecting from the moving averages. It looks pretty good. So 61.8 Fibonacci, price rejecting at 38. I will be expecting the price to reject, and the first target is 1.3260. If the price breaks this, you're expecting the price to be in these zones around 1.32. Not an ideal trading setup in my view, because it's against the weekly price action, but yes, it does has a potential for this retracement of the weekly chart, which I have explained. So this is the retracement we're expecting, and then you will be looking for buying opportunities around here if it's presented for another leg higher. So let's see how this forms euro yen. I've just shared this analysis. Let me quickly share this analysis. I am expecting the price to go all the way to 1.2300 euro yen. Up. Low high formation to sell. looks to me a good trading opportunity again. All yen cross is looking pretty bearish. I'll explain this in a second, how watching this chart. We already shared this analysis on the weekend. We were expecting the first phase of the week for the price to retrace higher, which it did on Monday and Tuesday. Now it's expecting the price to reject, which it has begun rejecting, and to go to the downside. Now, let's look at this quickly. I've got 5 minutes, so let's look at this quickly. Price forming low high formations, nicely bounced here to these levels. If you apply the Fibonacci's on this, you can clearly see beautiful rejection at 61.8 golden ratio. Nice rejections from there, 125.50, nice level for taking an entry. And you do have this supply zone there as well. So I'm expecting the first target at 123.52. If the price breaks this, we're expecting further decline on this, but we'll see how the price forms around 123.50 levels. Good trading setup, guys. Keep an eye on this. Sell on any low high formations and take advantage of this. GBP yen, just an update. We already in this sell trade from last week. Price came back today, nicely came back in this area. Nice rejection. It's a selling opportunity. My view is that the price will rebound on this pair to the downside. There's nothing positive yet from the Brexit perspective. Yes, price did bounce higher early in the Asian session because of the successful meeting of the Prime Minister of the UK with Macron and President of France and the German Chancellor. It is a short-lived effect. The reason is the sentiment is pretty bearish on this, and you need to understand the relationship between sentiment and the news. Expecting the price to rebound on this. The first target will be at 144. We'll see how the price acts at those levels. Price has to clear this, and if it does, we might potentially be in a very long-term bearish trend, and which I've discussed completely in my analysis on YouTube earlier. So that's pretty much it. Keep an eye on these pairs. If I see another trading setups, of course I'll share, which we'll share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Utilize these videos, utilize these analysis, learn how to conduct top bottom analysis, use these analysis in your trading, with your trading strategies. They are excellent trading opportunities for everyone. Thank you and have a good day.